Alright, got here a box of 2011, 2012 SP Authentic. Let's skip a whole bunch of crap and bust it open. This is serial number 75. I don't know, I can't really show you there. It's not that important. It's box number 75. Hear a lot of clicking in the background. Just the dog playing with a mini stick. Man, that is tricky to get into. There we go. Alright. 24 packs per box. 5 cards per pack. Let's hope for something nice out of this. This pack's just fall apart. Oh, there you go. Oh, of course. Colin Greening. That's number 2 for me. What's that? 127, 999. Well, this could either be a good sign or a bad sign. Find out soon enough. The last box with Greening in it had Ryan Johansson autograph, rookie. Who else? I think it was a Jacob Markstrom sign of the times. Nothing terrible. But not a box I would want to repeat if they got the same correlation. There you go, SP Essentials, Ilya Kovalchuk. Not serial numbered this year. I'm also not going to be listing out the rookie extended series unless I get one of the notable names. Hopkins, Landeskog. Well, you know the rookie crap. TJ Brennan. I lied. I'll say it. Kevin Marshall. Extended series. There's something here. Rookie Holo Effects, Brett Connolly. That's number 2 there. I don't mind getting repeats, but I prefer the repeats if they're actually nice hits, you know? Rookie Holo Fix, Matt Reed, another double. It's not like I've busted a lot of this stuff, but you know, it'd be nice to get some variety. Justin Falk, auto rookie. There's that 277. That's 2 of my 3 auto hits in the very first pile. This could be either, as I said, a good sign or a bad sign. There's nothing fantastic yet if I'm only getting 3 autos out of this box. Now that's a damage card there. It might be hard to spot, but the corner's all bent up there. Oh, Cody Hodgson, that ain't a bad one. 871 out of 999, auto rookie. Well, that's all 3 of my Future Watch autos there. Could have bought the entire right-hand side of that box, and I probably would have been well off. What is that? We've knocked off quite a few already. Not even half the box. Already 3 autos. Cody Hodgson's one of them. It's decent. Gretzky base. Oh, nice. Marcus Foligno. Non-auto future watch. I mean, if I'm going to get a non-auto future watch, good player. 541 out of 999. Man, these packs just crumble. Oh, nice. Finally, a different picture of Carl Klingberg. He's the same one on every single set this year. Oh, something different in there. Something red. Oilers. Rookie Holophect die cut. Not the one you'd hope for, but Artikainen. Still a case hit there. That's not bad. First one of those I pulled. Plus. Well, let's get a multi-auto sign of the times here. That's what I'm hoping for. SP Essentials, Henrik Lundqvist. Again, no numbering. Last stack. Last pile has not been overly exciting thus far. Not in the very least. Oh boy. Pile of base, what do we got left there? 4 packs. Usually tends to be the way. I pull all my autographs right away and then I'm left with nothing there at the end. Nothing exciting. Couple of base sets worth so far. That's about it. No, Crosby base. Alright. Last pack. Cross your fingers. Cade Fairchild. 93 out of 999. Another double. Thanks Upper Deck for the wonderful correlation on those. Got enough of them already. Alright, so quick recap. Couple of rookie holo effects. Brett Connolly, Matt Reed. Couple of SP Essentials, Kovalchuk and Lundqvist. Non-auto future watch, Cade Fairchild. There it is. And Marcus Foligno. Your rookie holo effects die cut, Timo Artikainen. And the fun stuff. Colin Greening, auto future watch. An interesting thing you probably can't really see there. No, you definitely can't see it on that, but all 3 of these auto future watches have roller marks on them. Justin Falk. And I guess the box hit. Cody Hodgson. All of these guys are for sale or for trade if you've got something I like. Alright, thanks for the watch.